What's up everybody? Welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today I thought I would take a little bit of time out to give you guys some of my top detailing tips and tricks so you guys can hone your detailing experience. Now starting off with the wash process, as we all know we want to start with the wheels because that's going to be the dirtiest area on the vehicle, but a common mistake is people wash and dry in a circular motion and that creates swirls. So to prevent that, work in straight lines or linear motions, and this way if you should pick up any kind of abrasive material and it does scratch the surface, it's a lot easier to polish out a straight line scratch as opposed to a swirl. Along with working in straight lines, you also want to pick out your favorite microfiber towel. For big vehicles and large drying applications, I like to use the woolly Mammoth towel because it's got a super plush pile and this absorbs a lot of water without scratching the surface. So this way you get it perfectly dry and scratch-free finish on any type of vehicle every time. Now my second tip is when you're cleaning your wheels, it's best to degrease your tires because this way you're removing any kind of road debris, any kind of grime, as well as old dressings. So now when you put on a new dressing, whether it's water-based or oil-based, it'll attract itself and adhere right to the surface. And when you drive away, it's not gonna sling off, creating a nice mess all inside of your vehicle. Now my third tip is cleaning your windows. Now as a detailer, this is something that I hate to do, but it's a must. And the best way to remove any kind of streaks or residue and get perfect clarity is by working in two different directions. So what that means is, say you're working on the inside of the vehicle, you want to work north and south or east and west as you're wiping away your cleaner. And then on the outside of the vehicle, you want to work in the opposite direction. So if you're working in side to side on the inside of the vehicle, work up and down on the outside so that you can see any kind of missed spots or any streaks, and this way you're going to get perfect clarity every time. So guys, if you have any questions or need some more helpful tips and tricks, drop a comment down below. I like to read all of your guys' comments, and if I can't answer them in a video, I definitely try and answer them in the comments. So anything you guys have to say, drop them down below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out all of your favorite Chemical Guys products on our website, as well as in your local detail garage. And as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the detail garage. It's like I'm looking into just
So you're gonna go